Hi, I'm Auden. This video is mostly to remind myself how to do this. Making a strap, a shoulder strap. I actually didn't have enough length on my leather for this, so I pieced it together using like 90-degree angles that became diagonals. But this started out 4 inches wide, and I put the raw edges in, and then again, and then sewed it. So I wanted to have a like right side of the strap and a wrong side. So like there was one side that I liked better. So you'll hear me talk about that. But here is the completed strap. Well, not completed, it's just clipped. I'm gonna rivet it because it's really thick right now, and I'm not sure how my machine would handle it. Need a strap adjuster and 2 swivel snap hooks. Okay, I like, for my strap, I have like sometimes a preferred side, so that I want to show. So like if I want this side, here, let me do it this way. If I want this side to be the right side that I want visible, the right side goes face down on your table. Then your strap adjuster has a smooth side, which I'll call the right side, and then there's like a prong part that would be the wrong side. So the right side of the strap adjuster goes face up. So your strap is right side down, and your strap adjuster is right side up. Okay, so you take your strap and you feed it through one time. Whoops. And then you either sew or rivet. I'm gonna clip for the purposes of the... All right. Then we come to the other end. We grab our 1 inch, in this case, swivel snap hook. It's facing away from the strap adjuster, and we put it through and back over. Make sure I'm not twisted. Okay, so we keep pulling. So what this is gonna do is our right side is coming through from the bottom, and now it's visible on top. Okay, so it comes over, and we put it through at our strap adjuster. Okay, and then we have our other swivel snap hook, and we go this way. And then sew or rivet or both to secure it. And then you have your adjustable, looks a little funky, hold on. Anyway, and then you have, there it is, you have your adjustable strap. So yeah, I hope that's helpful.